Hello and welcome back to an Empower Servers tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect via a PS4 or PS5. Now this tutorial is going to require a phone, but it is very easy. So first you want to come to empowerservers.com, log into the game control panel, find your Bedrock server, and then find your IP. So to do this, I found that it works best with ports over 10,000. So as you can see here, mine is 10,025. If you do not have a port over 10,000, just contact our live chat down here and you can ask for one. Next thing you want to do is download BedrockTogether off the Google Play or App Store. I've left a screenshot in the video of what the app looks like. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and enter in your server information. As you can see here, my IP is 51.195.198.127, and then the port is 10,025. Then you need to watch an ad and run. Unfortunately, this is the longest part of the tutorial. It's going to be about a 30-second ad. Afterwards, just press X. You can buy the app with no ads if you're going to be using it very often, but it does cost around £3. Once you've watched the ad, come into Minecraft, click on Friends, and then you'll see LAN games here. And this is the BedrockTogether LAN game that I've just created. So once your friend or you connect to the BedrockTogether, you can then close the app. However, make sure that you do not close the app while you're trying to connect, otherwise you will not be connected. As you can see in my console, I've spawned using the BedrockTogether app.
Thank you very much for watching. If you require any more support, the fastest way to reach us will be via live chat, located in the bottom right corner of your screen at all times. Thank you for choosing Empower Servers.